and Tyler going center. Go, go, go.
We're gonna slowly take our way. CJ, you going center? Or you going left with us? All right. I don't think they're good. Then we're gonna dual wield some asses.
What the other one for? Spray and pray.
Alright, you ready?
Sure. Is that them there? Is that our guy? All right, let's use cover from here on out. Be careful, just move up. I want that tree that you guys had. Go to cover to cover, cover to cover. Come to where I'm at.
These trees are pretty thick. We're probably
Yeah, no, we're good. Cover to cover. All right, you got me? I'm going to go to that cone. Pedro, orange cone. Cover. CJ. Move to me, move to me. You good, you good. Don't shoot unless we're right on top of them. Guys, hold fire unless we can, like, we're on them, right? Hold fire.
This is full auto.
Hit! Hit! All right, you know where the line is. Pedro's down. All right, they're in the woods. That's good. That's fine. Keep it in your pocket. Give it to the ref after. All right, so watch the line here. From this point on, guys, watch it. So cover here. Cover. Right side. Shit. Go. Go all the way to that tree again, Kyle. To the side. Spread out. Good, 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 good. Got one. Ho, ho, ho. What was that? I'm moving up through the bushes.
He's moving, he's moving.
Good, I see him. Woohoo! Fall back, you hear that? Push forward. You're gonna hit from back there. What was that? All right, keep pushing. I'm going forward. Cover me, Chris.
Nope.
Hit.
Hit. 5 minutes. This is when we push, guys. No more medics. No more medics. Remember, semi only in the. Is that guy dead?
He's dead.
All right. Move up! Move up! Get him, Chris. Get him. Move up! Everybody, move forward! Move up! Push! Life is a resource. Oh, I should get the damn dead right. All right, keep pushing! Push, push and move! Fire and move! Move up! Coming! Hurry up! All right, I'm gonna clear that room, gentlemen.
We have 1 minute.
1 minute! Who got it in? Who got it in?
No, I got hit.
Oh, we're still good? Is it game or no? Shit, we're still good! God damn it. CJ, right behind us. Cover me for 1 second. No, not you.
Bang, bang. I see your head. So.
Do you see my head?
Yeah.
Do you see this? Ah! Who shot me? Hey! Man, I had a grenade in my hand with the pin pulled and I got shot. Huh?
You guys are doing over there?
It's an M4.
What'd you do?
I cut it.
Which one are y'all doing?
I want one.
It shoots
Do you make those?
straight as a blind dizzy man.
Do you make one? Do you make those?
Yeah, they're easy to make.
Who'd I shoot in the face over there?
I don't
Is
know.
that
No. I got shot in the back.
I want one.
One of you got me like that. It grazed the fabric of my shirt like
I got Nick in the freaking.
I got like
You see the stick
everybody that
battery?
was over there.
You did. That was you, man. Was that you by yourself holding his back?
No,
No,
I had
they're
the
both
medic
there.
with me.